Hey everyone! Welcome to this full guide on how to deposit money into Webull Pay in 2025. If you're new to investing or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you funding your account in no time. Webull has updated its platform this year for a smoother experience, making it easier than ever to get started. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Webull app on your phone or access it through their website. Once you're set, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you're not signed up yet, it's simple, just create an account using your email or phone number. After logging in, head to the main menu or dashboard. Look for the Funding or Wallet section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen or under your profile icon. In 2025, Webull's interface has been redesigned for better navigation, so it should be straightforward. Next, tap on Deposit Money. You'll see a list of options like bank transfer, debit card, or instant ACH transfer. Choose the one that works best for you. For example, if you're using a bank transfer, select that option and link your bank account if it isn't already connected. Now, enter the amount you want to deposit. Keep in mind any minimum limits, which are typically around $1 to $10 depending on your account type. Double-check the details to avoid errors, then hit Confirm. Webull will process your request securely, and for bank transfers, you can expect the funds to appear in 1 to 3 business days. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation notification. It's a good idea to monitor your account and check for any emails from Webull to track the status. Remember, always use secure methods to protect your information. And there you have it. That's how to deposit money into Webull Pay in 2025. This process is secure, fast, and user-friendly, helping you focus on what matters most, your investments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with any questions. Happy investing!